Good day, teachers. My name is Ian Jake Balaoro and I am grade 12 ALSA student. I am conducting research for my project title, The Role of Educators in Knowledge Development of Grade 11 ALS Student at Bulan National High School. This study aimed to provide a comprehensive understanding of the significant impact educators have on the learning process and overall development of students. It will explore not only how educators facilitate academic learning but also how they contribute to the personal growth and character development of their students. Through this study, I hope to shed light the vital responsibilities of educators and their lasting effect on students as both learners and individual society. And then, background of the study: education shapes a person's values and character. Teaching provide knowledge and creating developing skills as educators act like a second parents, connecting with their students and motivating them. They help students understanding and change their knowledge, behavior, and attitude. Statement of the problem. They study examine how educators at Bulan National High School support knowledge development in grade 11 as student by addressing the following question. Number 1, what is the demographic profile of the grade 11 as online student in terms of age, sex? Number 2, what role do educators play in contributing to the knowledge development of students? How can role of educators influence the future of every ALS student? Why is the role of educators important in fostering the knowledge of every ALS student? What are the challenge problem encountered by grade 11 ALS student to the educators? Significance of study. Student. This highlights the importance of educators in every student's life, whether in online or face-to-face classes. Parents. The research offers insight on how to effectively support and encourage children in their education. Teachers and administrator. This study serves as a resource to enhance teaching skill and improve students' learning experience. Future researchers. This research provides valuable knowledge about the role of educators in students' lives. Scope and delimitation. This study investigates how educators enhance students' knowledge. The participants were grade 11 all students at Bulan National High School for 2023-2024 school year, focusing specifically on those in grade 11 ALS. Definition of term. The following the following terms are used in this study: educators, individual with specific skill, knowledge, training, and experience in a certain subject, qualified to teach others. Educators. Uh, knowledge development, a key part of Knowledge development, an essential component of education, crucial for academic achievement and critical thinking. Alternative learning system, a comprehensive education framework offering a practical alternative to formal instruction, catering to those unable to access traditional education. ALS combine non-formal and informal methods to help learners acquire essential competency. ALS student out, out of school children, youth, and adults enroll in the alternative learning system. This is specifically referred to the grade 11 ALS student in ALS Senior High School program at Bulan National High School for year 2023-2024 who, who participated in the study. Related literature. Related literature, your 2025 page 385 states the teachers do more than just follow the curriculum. They also develop and adapt it to make learning easier for their students. What teachers think and do in their classroom is what ultimately shapes students' learning. Therefore, focusing on the professional growth of teachers essentials. Related study. Parents, parents, parents also are educators that plays an important role in helping their children do better in school and have good social lives. According to Gamage 2021, when parents support their kids with homework, attend school events, and interact with teachers, it encourages them to participate in educational programs like ALS. This support helps parents hope their children will grow up to be successful citizens. Johnson 2017 highlights that even though students may have natural talent, they still need teachers to keep them motivated when, when students lose enthusiasm for their student. Teachers can help by showing how classwork to their daily life. This connection can make students feel more involved, take ownership of their learning, and spark their interest. Concept, Conceptual framework. The study employed the input process output IPO model, focusing on the demographic profile of grade 11 all students, including age and sex, and emphasizing the importance of educators in fostering student success. Data was collected through a survey questionnaire distributed to the target respondent. The finding underscored the significance of educators in knowledge development for grade 11 all students at Bulan National High School, along with feedback mechanism to gather insight on the input, process, and output. Research design. The researcher used qualitative research designed to evaluate educators' role in knowledge development of grade 11 ALS student at Bulan National High School in Sorsogon. Participant: this study will survey 25 11 ALS student at Bulan National High School online, focusing on their experience in challenge with educators in the educational landscape. Research instrument. The researcher will use Google Form to distribute a survey questionnaire and potentially schedule an online interview to address the research questions. Gathering procedure. Gathering of data. The researcher will follow a structured data collection process, consulting school heads, planning survey purpose, providing sufficient time, and setting a deadline. Data will be recorded using Google Form, analyzed, and discussed before drawing inclusion and recommendation. Thank you po. Thank you po, teacher. And that's all my research title proposal. Thank you.